Alright guys, what's happening? So woke up this morning and of course no hot water. Here is my A.O. Smith Honeywell, not A.O. Smith, my Honeywell hot water heater. So the instructions on it to relight it, it's right here. It says turn the knob off. You gotta turn it to pilot, press it in, and hit the igniter button. But what it don't tell you is that you may have to reset your high limit switch right here. Right. That's your high limit button. That you have to push it in and reset it. Pilot. See that in there? So push it in, and I'm gonna click it. See if we got a flood. There we go. It's on now. Now, there we go. Now we got a status light. Now it's just turning. There we go. Put it back on B because mine was original. Here we go. So again, if you come to your water heater and you have no light blinking, no lights at all, so now it's blinking now. I'll turn my light off. If your pilot's off, you turn it off here. Make sure your high limit isn't tripped. Press this button. You could check the meter, see if it's open or if it's reading resistance. And you push it in and reset it. Right. Once you have it off, you turn it back to pilot. You push the knob in, physically push it in, and then you press the ignite button, and then you come down to the sight glass, see if you have a pilot light. Once you have a pilot light, I still hold it for a little bit until my status light comes on. Once your status light comes on, then you can turn the knob to any one of these settings you desire. I typically don't do very hot, but I'm sure my wife would like very hot. But I'm gonna leave it on B. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.